What's the meaning of Barnes Wallis? Barnes Wallis. Barnes Wallis.
Barnes Wallis. Barnes Wallis. Barnes Wallis, 1887 to 1979, was a British inventor, engineer, and scientist who is best known for his work on the development of innovative aircraft designs, including the Wellington bomber and the famous bouncing bomb used in the Dam Busters raid of 1943. He also made important contributions to the field of aeronautics, pioneering the use of airships and conducting groundbreaking research into the effects of wind on aircraft structures. Wallis' legacy continues to be celebrated in the UK, where he is revered as a national hero, and his achievements remain an inspiration to engineers and designers around the world.